what's going on, guys? Outdoors with Kevin Outdoors. Just set up my little campsite for the night and thought I'd get the Solo Stove going and wanted to talk about it real quick. So what I like most about the Solo Stove, first off, this is the small one. I'll put kind of the specs in the description below, but doesn't take much fuel, and you can use any kind of fuel that you want. So if you're out in the woods, you can scrounge and find sticks and branches and twigs and things and use that. I like using pellets because they're pretty clean, easy to pack, and they tend to burn for quite a long time. So I usually fill this thing, depending on how long I'm going to be here and how long I want the fire going. I usually go 3/4 full, and that tends to burn for about a good solid 30 plus minutes. And then of course you can add to it as you go. But the beauty of the Solo Stove is that it not a lot of smoke, right? So it burns really clean, and it's all contained, puts out a good amount of heat, a good amount of flames coming out. So if you wanted to roast a hot dog or roast some marshmallows, you definitely can. Compared to, let's say you bring the big propane stove, or getting some type of just, you know, firebox, or getting an actual fire going. I definitely like having everything contained, just burning pellets. It's got a really nice ambiance. The flame is amazing, and it's still just rocking. So check it out. It is very nice. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for stopping by.